The same,
Is she a bop?
outfit.
I feel like this is a
No.
very like misunderstood question that we get a lot in this chat. Explain yourself. Are you a bop?
I don't know what to say. I mean, maybe. Wait, I'm like a bop in like work-wise, but I'm not a bop IRL. I'm a really good girl IRL. Bro, you know that. I literally stay at home with my cat and like I just chill. Like me and my Sphinx cat Mia, we just chill. Like I don't do anything bad ever.